Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. I wanted to bring you along as I went to my local Dollar Tree, so take a look and see some of the footage and photos of what I saw while I was there. Hold on for a moment.
Hey guys, it's me. I am at my neighborhood Dollar Tree and I am a little disappointed because these are all the colors they have. Not much compared to what they previously had, but we will take a look. It's just one section. I'll take a photo to give you the whole section, but let's take a look. They do have some red hot crafties, which feels pretty firm. They have Just Yarn Premier in a few colors, and they have Crafter Square. Let's look at the colors. This is a very pale blue, which I have not seen before. 60 grams, 132 yards, 120 meters, 2.1 ounce. And they have this kind of violet color. Dark blue color, a white, all the way down in the bottom here, pink, okay, so I took another one down, and this one is a gray color, a nice deep gray color.
While in the craft section, I had to check out other things that were available, so take a look and see what else I found. This is awesome.
In addition, they have bracelet making kits. Custom earring kits. And punch needle kits. How about that? As well as mosaic art kits. Canvas kits. These are nice. Very nice. Here are stepping stones. How about that? Beautiful. Just beautiful.
yarn section here is small, but I was able to find a few items, so take a look at the colors that I chose and stay tuned to see what I decide to do with them. I think I'll be able to find something. What do you think? Thanks so much for coming along with me. Until I see you in my next video, do everything you can to be mindful, be healthy, and be crafty. I look forward to seeing you again soon in one of my videos or one of yours. Bye-bye now.